Hello and welcome back everybody to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some purple and yellow complementary color makeup that kind of reminds me of like a sunset. I don't know. I just felt like it'd be fun. That's really it, so let's get started.
First things first, prime my face. I used my Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer from First Aid Beauty. Next I used some tape to make a nice sharp line. For the first color of this look, I'm using a dark purple that kind of has a pinkish undertone from my Colourpop Build Your Own palette, and packing that in a nice clean sharp half circle over the whole eyelid. Don't forget to blend out the top edge because it'll make it really easy to blend the next color in. Now take a warm yellow and pack that into the crease where we just blended. From my Top Beauty Starry Sky palette, I'm taking this harsher yellow, I guess more neon color yellow, and packing that above the yellow we added before and blending that in as well. For eyeliner, I'm using my favorite, my Eyeko Black Magic liquid liner, and creating a nice big wing. Take the tape off and pack the same colors in the same order we used before onto the lower lash line. Repeat everything we just did on the other eye. Now fill in your eyebrows however you so please. Now I'm taking my Thrive Causemetics, get it? Causemetics mascara, and placing that all on my lashes. Now I'm taking my Inc.Redible Jelly Shop Lip Quencher in Revenge and putting some lip gloss on my lips. It's just going to make a nice natural shine to my already existing lip color. And there we have it, a very pretty purple and yellow complementary colors, may I add, makeup look. I really liked this, and seeing these colors in my palette kind of sparked my inspiration, so this is what you get.
Thank you all so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe all the way down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.